Introducing the melting furnace, a high-performance thermal system engineered for precise, efficient, and uniform melting of metals and materials in laboratory and industrial environments. Whether you're working with gold, silver, aluminum, copper, brass, alloys, precious metals, or materials, this furnace delivers the controlled heat required for melting, casting preparation, refining, and material research. Its advanced heating system ensures rapid temperature rise, stable heat retention, and uniform thermal distribution, enabling consistent and repeatable results every time. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how the melting furnace can elevate your production and research capabilities.